Thank you for joining our virtual trade show stand 2020. I love the trade shows that we attend and meeting all of you and having the chance to introduce our new products and discuss market developments. Sadly, that is not possible this year. I hope that this tour and the plinths that you can see below will give you an insight into the solutions and technologies that we've been busy developing through the year. I am really excited about these, and in particular the Falcon frequency converter range. Our new genus habitat, as Essen likes to call it, provides a whole new way of thinking about RF distribution and signal management. Within matrices we have new products like the Hawk and the Harrier and the Havoc, as well as upgrades to our Enigma, Ensign and Vortex products, keeping us at the forefront of satellite ground segment. On the test and reference side, Atlantic have developed some exciting new satellite simulators and test loop translators, as well as applications for cryogenics. So please, come and have a look at our trade show stand, and thank you again.